In a WPF client, you often receive your models as POCOs. POCO stands for Plain Old CLR Object. So here this friend class is a typical plain old CLR object. It has two simple properties, ID and first name, the complex address property, and an emails property that is of type iList. Now when you look at this class, it just contains data. So what's the difference between a POCO and a data transfer object, also known as DTO? The difference is that in contrast to a DTO, a POCO can have behavior. So it's completely fine if you add, for example, a validate first name method to this friend class. A POCO just means that you have loose coupling. You don't have any dependencies to a framework, like for example an entity base class like it's often used with object relational mappers. This loose coupling also allows you to write simpler tests as there are no dependencies to a framework. Another reason why POCOs are used are the popular code-first scenarios. With the code-first scenarios, you just create your model without thinking about the persistence layer. Then you can hook in entity framework or another object relational mapper to create the database for you. Another point why POCOs are very popular is because they are lightweight. Many developers love POCOs because there is no boilerplate code in them. Okay, so far some points why services are using POCOs. Now let's look at the challenges that you have when you receive your models as POCOs in your client application.